Zhengzhou Satrise Industrial Company Limited was established in 2014. It is a professional company integrating edible fungus factory consulting, planning, design, construction, technical services, and investment. Satrise focuses on mushroom factory production systems and has rich experience in mushroom farm design and growing equipment production. Our main products include mushroom bag filling lines, bottle filling lines, shelves planting production lines, sterilization equipment, boiler equipment, purification equipment, liquid strain production and inoculation equipment, environmental control equipment, and various consumable products. In addition, as a professional supplier, we have an excellent team focusing on product development and design quality control and inspection, and company operations to meet different customers' customized requirements. We have obtained CE certification, and our products are sold well in all cities and provinces in China and are also exported to more than 100 countries and regions such as Russia, the United States, Canada, the United Kingdom, South Korea, France, Germany, Spain, Australia, Malaysia, Thailand, India. We also welcome OEM orders. Whether selecting an existing product from our catalog or seeking custom services for your mushroom farm, you can discuss your purchasing needs with our customer service. We adhere to the business principle of mutual benefit and win-win and have won a good reputation among customers with professional services, professional products, and competitive prices. After more than 10 years' efforts, Satrise has now become a professional company in the global edible fungus industry. We will continue to actively explore the overseas market to make sure China's mushroom cultivation equipment and production technology benefit the world mushroom producers.